Hey guys, so Cash and I are going to Hobby Lobby, as you can see right here. We are going to go inside and check out the fall stuff. Believe it or not, I have not been in Hobby Lobby since they pulled out their fall stuff, so all of this is new to me, and I'm so excited to go in, and we better go ahead and get in before he starts getting crazy, because let's go ahead and check out their fall stuff. Left Hobby Lobby and I was really disappointed because I feel like they have way more Christmas stuff than they do fall stuff. Like aisles and aisles full, and there was not a lot of fall stuff, so that's just so disappointing because it's fall, not Christmas yet. So we are gonna go into Michael's now. Which ones? I don't like the color of that one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love that. Too. I think these are the colors that I'm going to do for fall. These really light colored pumpkins. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that wreath is. Alright guys, I am at Homegoods and it is 8:30 at night. This is the only time that I had to get out. I put my kids to sleep and my husband said go ahead and go. I have to go get dog food anyways, so this is kind of like a stop that I didn't mention. I just said, you know, we really need dog food and a few other things, which they don't have dog food at Homegoods, so thank goodness it's right next to a Target. But I'm gonna go in here, and I don't think I've ever vlogged at night like this, which is interesting. At least it'll be lit inside the store and you won't have to look at this. But we're gonna go into Homegoods and see what fall stuff they have. Homegoods is one of my favorite places to shop for home decor and fall stuff, so hopefully they don't disappoint. Hobby Lobby really disappointed earlier. Michael's, I did get a few things, but I'll show you guys what I got like at the very end of this vlog. Right now I'm just gonna take you through the stores with me, kind of like you're browsing the aisles with me. Look how cute this is. Oh my, this is gonna be dangerous here. Look how pretty that is. Those are pretty. I really like these though. Goes really well with that. Alright guys, I am done shopping for this vlog. Anyways, I need to take a look at the fall decor that I have. I haven't looked at it obviously since last year, and I'm not really sure what I have and what I don't have. And I think that happens to all of us. Like when you put all of your fall and your holiday decor away, then you pull it out, you're like, oh wow, I had more than I thought I did. So I didn't want to go too crazy, but I am going to show you what I picked up. Now, chances are I will go back and pick up a few more things, but following this video, not directly, but I'm going to do a fall decor like home tour. Now, I don't really decorate every room. I'm not that kind of person where I feel like every room has to have some kind of fall decor. I will usually just do like my living room, kitchen area, and hallway, just kind of that main area where people see a lot of it. I don't really go too crazy with the entire house being pumpkins or fall or whatever. Sometimes I do, I don't know. I'm just gonna see what I have this year and go from there. Now, I don't want you to be too disappointed in the things that I didn't get. I just try to keep it very minimal, but I did pick up some really good things. So let's go ahead and get started. I did hit up the Target dollar spot. I know that I didn't get that on video. Hold on. I'm gonna get so many comments on this video about this straw. So I did hit up the Target dollar spot. I didn't get any film of it because I wasn't exactly planning on filming it. I didn't plan on filming it all, and then I happened to just run into the fall stuff, and they had like that they already had out in their dollar spot. So I did grab, I grabbed two things, but they're two of the same thing. They didn't have all of their selection out yet. They just had some of it because they didn't have, unless they were already sold out of like the dish towels and stuff, I didn't see any. These were two things, or these were something that I was looking for this year, so I'm glad I got some before they all sell out. But these are some of those leaf appetizer plates, and I'm actually going to do my place setting on my kitchen table using these. They're like a really light mint green color, which is the color scheme that I'm going for this fall. As you probably saw from the vlog, I was picking colors that were in this color scheme, so these are perfect for my place setting, and I'll show you guys how I do that. I want to get that video up sooner rather than later so that you have time to go out and get the stuff. So I grabbed 4 of them. They are $3 for a set of 2, so really it's like $1.50 a plate. If you see these, grab some because these are probably going to go really quickly. Sorry if you guys can hear Cash in the background. He's with Jeff out there, and he likes to be loud. He just loves to scream for no reason, so that's what he's doing right now. These are some Glade Wax Melts. These are totally random, but they are in the scent Cozy Autumn Cuddle, and the scent underneath it is described as heirloom pumpkin, caramel, and spice, or caramel, however you say it. But this will make your house smell like fall. I have left my house and then come back while this was in the little warmer thing. Not like, I didn't leave it on while we were gone. I just turned it off before we left, walked back through the door, and the house still smelled like fall. It smells so good. So if you're looking for something to kind of spruce up the scent of your house for fall, this is a really good option because they're super cheap. These are like $2.94 or $3 or something. You can get these at like H-E-B, Walmart, Target, wherever you shop. I'm sure that they have these. They're a limited edition, but it smells so good. What should we go to next? So let's do Michael's, because I only got these apple baskets from Michael's. I don't even think they're called apple baskets. They just remind me of picking apples, and I don't know, I think a lot of people put apples in these, for whatever reason. So I don't know, they just say basket on them, so whatever. These were buy one get one half, so essentially they came out to like $3.50 a piece. I think I'm going to take the handles off of them and I'm going to use them as a centerpiece for like pumpkins, and the pumpkins are going to kind of be like spilling out of it. I'm going to stack them a little bit. I don't know, that's my vision. It may look ridiculous once I get it on the table, but that's my plan for these. So I'll show you how I use them in that video, hopefully. If you don't see them, it means that it turned out to be ridiculous, but I thought they were really cute baskets, so I hope that it turns out like I want it to. And then I guess to give you an idea of the filler that I'm going to use for these kind of baskets, which by the way, I love to use real pumpkins. So you know those little small ones that they have, that they come out with? I want to get a whole bunch of real ones when they come out, but in the light colors. But for now, since they don't have any real ones out yet, which they might be bringing them out soon, I don't know, I got some of these from Kirkland's, and the pumpkins were actually 25% off. So I think these, they originally are $8.99. They came out to 25% off of that, and there's 5 pumpkins in here, but as you can see the colors, this is exactly what I'm going for. And if I do them kind of like on a table like this, you know, sort of, you'll figure it out. But I just don't love the way that those handles look there. I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna pull those off, I think. But anyways, I thought that these were really pretty. It was kind of hard to find some colors like this. A lot of them have the pretty mint color, but then they still throw in that bright orange that I just not really a huge fan of. So I actually got 2 of them, and they're just so pretty. I just love the colors. They're just neutral but still fall. If you are looking for fall stuff, go to Kirkland's. I mean, that is where they had the most selection, the cutest stuff, the cutest selection. I don't want to say they had the most stuff, but they had the cutest selection in my opinion. So if you like to decorate kind of like I do, Kirkland's is really on top of it this year. I got this sign and it says Farm Fresh Pumpkin Patch Quality, and I'm gonna put this in my hutch. I'm sure that most of you guys have seen my hutch if you have watched any of my decor videos, but I like to put little signs in there, and this one looked very farmhousey with the wooden edge and just the neutral colors. This is kind of like a metallic gold, which is, it's okay. I wish it wasn't like metallic, but I think this was $12.99. And then if you are part of the Kirkland's rewards program, I think there's like a 20% off or 25% off coupon going on right now. So you can almost always use a Kirkland's coupon. There's almost always a coupon. So they had some extremely cute signs, some cute pillows, just decor in general. So that's what I got from Kirkland's. And I guess I'll go ahead and talk about this thing, because this is one thing that I did get from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby was slightly disappointing. They had way more Christmas stuff than they had fall stuff, and they didn't have a lot of cute fall things in my opinion, which is unusual because Hobby Lobby is like one of my favorite places to shop for home decor, but they were kind of lacking in that selection. But I did find this extremely cute tin, and it says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, 50 cents a pound, hand-picked farm fresh pumpkins. And I just thought this was so adorable. You could put this on your front porch with real pumpkins in it. You could put it inside with blankets in it, like little throw blankets or pillows. You could put it inside with pumpkins. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but there are so many possibilities. And it was $25.99 and then 40% off of that, so I think it was like $16 or something. I just thought this was so cute. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. And I also got this fall like beaded garland right here. These are very popular to use in home decor in general, like year round, but this was in the fall decor section, and I think that these are going to be really popular for fall. So I'll show you guys how I decorate using these in my fall decor tour video. But I'm really excited that I found these because they were really inexpensive. They were $8.99 and then 40% off of that, so really inexpensive, and there are so many places that I could put this along shelves in little tins, like on my counter. I've got that 3-tiered tin. I could put them in my hutch. There's just so many ways that you can use these, so I may have to go back and get one more of them. I don't know, we'll have to see once I start decorating, but these are going to be really in this fall. All right, so TJMAXX. The other two places that I have are TJMAXX and Marshalls. I'll show y'all what I got at TJMAXX. I did find a white pumpkin. Now, for some reason, white pumpkins, like just plain white pumpkins, seem to be kind of hard to find. So when I saw this one, I had to grab it because I know that I don't have any nice white pumpkins like this. Now, you can always paint your pumpkins if you find orange ones at, let's say, the Dollar Tree or Walmart or something like that. You can always paint them white. And if you guys want a tutorial on that, or like a DIY, I would love to do that. Let me know below if you're interested in something like that. I think that would be really fun. But then again, I don't want to do it if you guys don't care to see that, so let me know below. But I thought that this pumpkin was so pretty. It was $9.99 at TJMAXX. And then I also grabbed a light peachy colored one. I just really liked how this one looked because it's kind of got that distressed look to it. It's not like a bright orange at all, but it still brings some color. So I couldn't pass these up. These were $9.99, as this one was $9.99 as well. I really like how it's kind of misshaped, like it's not perfect looking, and it almost looks real from far away. It looks like a real pumpkin. I think it's just the, I don't know, for me, does it not look real? And then while I was at TJMAXX, these are not necessarily fall related, but they could be. I'm a sucker for white colored mugs, and I found these Ray Dunn ones. This one says hello on it, and then I got one that says sip on it. I think these were $5.99, but they are Ray Dunn, and if you haven't heard of Ray Dunn, her things are really popular right now, especially her mugs. But I got the hello one, the sip one, and the coffee one. And they had a couple other ones, but these are the sayings that I liked the most. The thought of a mug makes me think of fall. I don't really drink hot coffee during the summer or the spring, but the fall and the winter is when I start to pull out my really cute mugs. So anyways, check out TJMAXX if you're looking for some cute mugs or some Ray Dunn stuff, because they had a whole bunch of it whenever I went. And then last but not least is Homegoods. Homegoods did have some cute stuff. I only grabbed 2 things when I was there, and let's see here. So, whoa! So no huge surprise here. I got this mint colored pumpkin. And then just to give you an idea, these are the plates, so they match pretty well. I mean, they're not the perfect color green to go with these, but they're not going to be sitting right next to each other, you know what I mean? So it goes just fine, and I just love this mint color, and I'm surprised that I found a pumpkin that was, I don't know, pretty as this in this mint color. So when I saw this, I was like, yep, that's going home with me. The last thing that I got are these napkins, and these are going to be going on my place setting. So I like to have a place setting out throughout the year. Like, I always have a pretty place setting on my table. I picked these up to go with these plates. Now, I had grabbed these before I actually got these plates, but actually it matches perfectly. The green in there goes perfect. I got these at Homegoods. They were $7.99, and I just thought that they were really pretty. They're nothing like too crazy. They're very farmhouse-esque, farmhouse looking. I don't know. I was just really drawn to them, and I think that they're going to go really pretty with these leaf plates. So that is it. That is my haul of things that I actually got after shopping with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more shop with me decor videos, let me know below. I would love to incorporate some more of these in my channel. I love doing this kind of stuff. If you want to see more decor videos, also let me know below. Just let me know in general, what do you want to see in the next coming months? I would love to hear from you guys. And stay tuned for the fall decor tour video. I did one of those last year, and I plan on doing that again this year, hopefully really soon. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.